In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a 404 page in WordPress using Elementor's free version. Setting a custom 404 page is a great way to improve your website's user experience when visitors land on a page that doesn't exist. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure everything is set up smoothly. First, we need to create a standard WordPress page using Elementor. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. Here, you'll be creating a page that will serve as your custom 404 page. You might want to call it something like Page Not Found for clarity, and you can enter this title in the title bar. Use a simple slug such as Page Not Found, which will help you identify the page easily. Now, click Edit with Elementor to build this page visually. You have the flexibility to design the 404 page to fit your website's design language, keeping in mind that you want it to clearly convey to visitors that the page they were looking for cannot be found. Consider including a search bar to help users find what they need, and perhaps link back to popular sections of your site. Once you're satisfied with the design, be sure to hit the Publish button to save your changes. Next, we need to tell your WordPress site to display this custom page whenever a user lands on a non-existent URL. For this, head over to your theme or child theme folder through an FTP client or your hosting provider's file manager. Here, locate the file named 404.php. Open this file for editing. While handling these files, be sure to proceed with caution, because making mistakes in theme files can disrupt your site. Within your 404.php file, you'll want to insert a redirect header that points to the slug of the page you just created. To do this, add the following line at the top of your 404.php file. Be sure to replace /your page slug with the actual slug of your custom 404 page. After you've added this line, save the file. With that, your configuration is complete. Now, when anyone tries to access a page on your site that doesn't exist, they will be seamlessly directed to your beautifully crafted 404 page made with Elementor. And there you have it. Your custom 404 page is live, enhancing your site's navigation and helping your users find their way back to relevant content. You've just improved the user experience of your WordPress site, ensuring that dead ends are turned into opportunities for engagement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials.